Hello everyone, this is Hannah Sarajos from B-GHUD Academy. In this video, we will be looking at some common mistakes IELTS aspirants make while writing an essay. Some of them are: number 1, using contractions, which means you can use the full form of words instead of using its contracted forms. For instance, you can use could not and would not instead of couldn't and wouldn't. Now, another mistake that usually students make is about the word count. So, as we already know, the total time that one gets to write an essay is only 40 minutes. And it's very important to stick on to the word count. So, the word count of your essay is approximately 250 to 300 words. That is the second common mistake that IELTS aspirants usually make. Now, another thing that students need to take note of is about their handwriting. Now, it's very important to have a good handwriting. It does not mean that your handwriting should be beautiful. Your handwriting should be legible, which means it should be in a readable format. Now, another point is not to use informal words. Informal words in the sense you can use the word regrettable instead of silly, and you can use positive instead of nice. It's also very important not to get too emotional or dramatic while presenting your opinions in the essay. Which means, as we all know, if you have referred to our previous videos, you can see that it is very important to use IELTS academic style of writing. So we always use academic style of writing while writing an essay in your IELTS exam. So it's important not to get too emotional while presenting your opinions in an essay. These are a few mistakes that IELTS aspirants commonly make while writing an essay. Now, to score over a band 6, it is very important to follow all of these points. To know more about how to write an essay, you can join our classes at B-GHUD Academy. So be at B-GHUD to be good at English.